Welcome to Southern Wales. I'm Kim Colebrook, the Regional Coordinator. Southern Wales is just 3 hours from the centre of London. It is a region filled with history, glorious landscapes and a welcoming community. At its heart is Cardiff, the capital city of Wales. Let's take a quick look at what Cardiff offers. In summary, Cardiff has great hotels, a unique shopping experience, an amazing castle, 2 national museums, and so much more. It's a really great base for exploring the region. One of the most magical things about Southern Wales is that we have over 30 castles to visit. The largest at Caerphilly, the most magical, Castell Coch, and even a castle built by the ironmasters, Cyfarthfa Castle. Of course, our history goes much further back, to the Romans, and we have the legionary fortress of Caerleon for you to explore. You can also see what life was like in 1645 at Llancaich Row Manor, and you can visit the amazing Tredegar House. You can also discover what it was like to work in the coal industry, by going underground or by visiting memorials to those who died whilst working. We have some amazing, unique attractions, such as the Royal Mint, where the story of money is told. Then there's the legendary Rockfield Studios, where bands like Queen and Oasis recorded their hits. Then there's the Welsh Perfumery, where you can create your own perfume inspired by the beautiful Welsh landscape. The adventurous might want to fly through the air at Zipworld Tower and enjoy the views. Or you can visit the unique Transporter Bridge in Newport. And for those who want to walk, how about starting the Wales Coast Path outside Chepstow Castle before you take in the heritage coastline? We are lucky to have lots of great local food producers. Here are some of the producers that you can visit and taste their produce, including 6 vineyards and a gin producer in a castle.
Here on the telephone, 'cause we've no idea when we're coming home. Any place we wander to, any season we go through, I'll be fine as long as I'm with you. Heaven knows, running round the world with you. When you smile, I smile too. How I ever made it without you, heaven knows.
Thank you for joining this presentation today. Please contact us for more information and ideas.